Sometimes, it's useful to prevent the user from interacting with parts of the app. For example, say that your app radically changes the UI at some point, and there's a chance that the user taps on something they didn't want to. When UI changes under users' fingers, that's actually a pretty common and frustrating problem. You could address this problem by disabling all interactive elements in your app one by one when UI changes happen. Or you could use IgnorePointer. Just wrap the part of the app that you want to briefly protect from the user's fingers in IgnorePointer and specify whether you want to ignore or not. Voila! This part of the UI is now non-interactive. IgnorePointer ignores all pointer events, tapping, clicking, dragging, scrolling, everything. And it does so for the whole subtree. So, you can put an IgnorePointer above everything else in your app, and your app becomes completely useless. To learn more about IgnorePointer and all the other widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.